Have you ever wondered how to grow strawberries from store-bought plants? Imagine having fresh, sweet strawberries right at your fingertips, knowing exactly how they were nurtured. Today, we will guide you through a step-by-step process to grow your own strawberries at home. Before we begin, gather these necessary materials. You'll need a store-bought strawberry plant, a suitable pot or garden bed, nutrient-rich soil, ample water, and a sunny spot where the plant can thrive. Now that we have everything ready, it's time to start planting. First, prepare your pot or garden bed by filling it with soil. Now, let's get those strawberries settled in. Dig holes about 20 centimeters deep and 30 centimeters apart. This gives each plant room to spread out. Place your strawberry plant in the hole so the crown is level with the soil surface, then backfill with soil. Give them a good initial watering, enough to moisten the soil but not make it soggy. Great job! You have successfully planted your strawberries. Now that your strawberries are planted, they need proper care to grow. Strawberries thrive in full sunlight, so ensure they get at least 6 to 10 hours of it each day. Watering is vital too. Do it every other day, but be sure not to overwater as this can cause root rot. Adding organic compost bi-weekly can also give your plants a healthy boost. Be vigilant about pests, and if necessary, use a mild insecticide. With proper care, your strawberries will start producing fruit in a few weeks. Growing strawberries from store-bought plants is a simple and rewarding process. Just think about it. With a bit of soil, some sunshine, and a sprinkle of care, you can turn a humble plant into a lush patch of juicy strawberries. It's a testament to the magic of nature and the joy of gardening. Plus, it's a great way to enjoy fresh, homegrown fruit. Thank you for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.